For today's menu, we will be making garlic and shrimp linguine pasta. First we're gonna do is to melt 3 tablespoons of butter, then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then mag-a-add tayo ng 1 head of minced garlic. To make our life easier, gagamit ako ng food processor to mince our onions. Sautay lang natin yan, and after that, isi-season na natin ang ating pasta with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, meron din tayong sweet soy sauce, and 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Then, imimix lang natin mabuti. Next step natin ay i-add na natin yung ating mga shrimps and cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes each side. On this recipe guys, I'm gonna be using half pound of our whole grain linguine pasta. Para hindi ma-overcook ang ating shrimps, isi-set aside lang muna natin, tanggalin natin lahat sa ating kawali. Mag-a-add din tayo ng half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, meron tayong half teaspoon chili flakes, optional yan guys kung ayaw maanghang, and then meron tayong a teaspoon of parsley flakes, Italian herbs, and half tablespoon
just a teaspoon
of brown sugar. Sorry. And imimix lang natin yan, and then start na akong mag-mince ng ating carrots. So aside from our minced carrots, mag-a-add din ako ng red and green bell peppers. Mimince din natin yan, and some green onions. And then add your linguine pasta. Thank you so much for watching, and please do consider subscribing on my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and enjoy!